Hang tight. Just stop.
You guys all right? Yeah, good. Oh.
Today, Johnny, the club, Don.
The almost dying friend's back.
I hope not. I brought the siphon. I brought the parachute cord. We're good, man.
You know I'm gonna have to use all that stuff, right?
Well, that's why I brought it. We're out at Baldy Mesa. We're gonna go struggle a little bit. First time you've ridden in like a year?
69 months.
It's been about a year.
On your tube all day.
Quit tugging on my tubes.
All right, let's go.
Today I'm riding the 2020 Honda CRF 250 RX. This thing's awesome too. How did we lose everybody already? Shit. All right. Steep ass hill right here. I could do this, I just didn't have the speed. Oh, I love this bike, man. I don't have the trust in the WR that I do on this. Sucker. Are you all right? Are you all right?
Get your boy.
Caleb, lay down, lay down, lay down. Just lay down. Lay down, lay down.
That hurts so bad.
Hang tight. Just stop.
Oh shit, is everybody okay?
We're glad you guys are. Everyone's okay. That was crazy, dude.
Rare. Very rare. I've been riding up here probably 20 years, man. Very rare to see other people going opposite directions, you know?
Oh, man. Fuck, that was scary. You need help?
It's worse than I thought. I can't pull my clutch in.
Okay. Here, Caleb, ride this bike, okay?
No, I kind of want to ride this one for the video.
Yeah, but let's be fucking reasonable. You don't have a front brake or anything. I can't believe that happened. Of course I can believe that happened. That's what happens when Caleb and I are out. What a reality check that shit is, dude. It's sad when bad things happen when you're just out trying to enjoy the day. A lot of you guys wonder why it seems like every now and then I release old videos. It's because I got a stockpile of videos from when shit like this happens. If I get into an accident and I can't ride for weeks and months, I need to still be able to upload. So got about 6 months of videos that'll get me through. Well, I'm going to end this one. I'm glad we made it back. Worried about you, man. That was scary to see. Well, let this be a lesson, man. Wear the right shit. Be careful. I don't know what we could have done to prevent this. If you liked the video, hit the like button. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Sure you hit the notification bell so you're aware when I do upload a video. If you aren't aware yet, I do have a street bike channel. You recognize some of the same idiots here today on that channel over there. Much love to the patrons of the channel. You know who you are. If your name is right here on the screen, I love you. Please support the channel partners. All I ask, if you're in the need for any of their products or services, just look at them first. Some good companies there. And with that, I'll catch you later.